Hey guys, what's happening? How to add money to Wise, digital or physical cards. So you can see right here, after you log in using your Wise account, you can see add money right here, right in front of you. You won't miss it. So I'm gonna click, excuse me, I hold it. Click, and you can enter the amount of money that you want to add to Wise. Let's say 20 bucks. 20. And so pay with your preferred payment method. You can use connected bank account, right? Like ACH, or you can use Apple Pay, right? Or you can use debit card, or wire transfer, or international wire. You can send USD from your bank account outside the US. Your bank will charge you extra fees. And you can use also, of course, the credit card, right? And after you added your preferred payment method, let's say I'm using Apple Pay, I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue, okay? And just go ahead and hit pay using Apple, okay? So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.